Okay, so Cymatics is a company that does plugins and loop packs. I'm not sure how familiar you guys are with them, but I've kind of known about them for a while, and some of the stuff they make is pretty cool. And one of my favorite things about them is that you can use all of the stuff that they make on any of your projects and upload it to Spotify, all of that stuff. They're totally cool with it. So today we're going to be checking out the Zodiak Volume 2 Beta Pack. I'm going to go ahead and hit that. This is basically the newest thing that they have out, and we're just going to check out some of the sounds that they have for this. If you guys want to check out any of the packs that they have available, some of them cost a little bit of money, but they do have a bunch of really cool free packs available as well. You can just check them out right here at cymatics.fm. But I'm going to go ahead and download this real quick, and we'll check out what they have. All right, so we got the Zodiak Beta Pack installed. Let's go ahead and check out maybe some of these melodies. Let's check out some of these melodies. We'll try classic first. We'll see what that is. This one's nice. Let's just go through these and see what they got. We're just gonna kind of see what feels good, and we'll go from there. I really like that one. Okay, I think I got a pretty good arrangement of it down now. Let's go ahead and maybe move on to a counter melody. Let's try to add something in here just to give it a little bit more depth. Let's get out of the melodies and maybe go into these little vocal sections and see what they have for E minor.
Tell me, tell me, tell me.
Kind of like that. I kind of like that. Let's see if we can just drag this in here and maybe pitch mod it up in key. There we go. Let's see what we can do to this. Maybe I want to run some auto-tune through it. That's awesome. Let's check out what they have here in the guitar section. Hi, Mama. Hi, kitty. Under E minor. Okay, okay, okay. What else do we got in here? Maybe just to complement this Zodiak Beta Pack, let's run into the Fantasy Synth pack that they also have and see if there's any loops that might add texture just kind of to the like headphone mix of this. And if not, we can probably pull some one shots and do some cool stuff too. But let's just check this out. Literally just those two notes. All right, I like the idea of these profit strings. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and bounce this down into a audio file. All right, so we got these bounced down. We can get rid of that. And I'm really liking how this sounds. It's a little spacey right now, but the way that I'm kind of envisioning it, it's a lot of this open space right in the middle is going to sit nicely for like some good verse structure. So looking forward to that. Let's do some stuff to these profit chords. Let's go ahead and try to start throwing in some percussion. And for that, I'm going to go ahead and use bits of the 808 Mob hip hop sample pack and the 9God hip hop sample pack. I just think these two are really solid. I kind of throw them on a little bit of everything. Let's check out some hi-hat loops. And we'll cycle over what I feel like is kind of the hook right here. I kind of like this. I kind of like this as like a tucked behind layer. That's fucking hard. That's fucking hard with the little hammer in the background. Let's go into the kicks and see what's good. That might be the one. There we go. All right. I think it's done. I think we did a pretty sick job with this beat. I'm going to go ahead and throw a quick little master on it, and then I will see you guys back in the real world. Oh, look. I'm in different clothing. Thank you guys so much for watching the video to the end. If you liked it, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. This is not a sponsored video, but please feel free to go check out all the other loops and sounds available at Cymatics.fm. And with that, I will leave you guys with the beat, and let me know down in the comments if you guys know of any other like loop packs or companies that do some fire sounds that you want me to make some music with. I'm gonna make a sandwich. Bye.